I'm Claire, also known as Blondie Builder. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide of just how easy it is to make your own beautiful home decor made out of concrete. The only materials you really need are some cement powder. I like to use Snowcrete in white because then I can add colour and play around with different styles. Then it's up to you if you want to add sand, stone, glitter or anything else to make a different texture. You mix these with water. Once you've mixed them, you simply find your mould, again, whichever you want to create, and then you oil them to stop them sticking at the end. And that's as simple as it gets.
Now I'm choosing to make a concrete bowl, so I've got a larger bowl and a smaller bowl. I need to begin by oiling the inside of the larger bowl, and then I need to oil the outside of the smaller bowl. Next, put on some gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself when working with the cement. To give you an idea of quantities, I use approximately 10 scoops to make a concrete bowl. Then I add some sand, about a third approximately, and then it's up to you if you wish to add stones now, or glitter. Here I'm going to add some pearlescent cement dye. Mix it all together and then slowly add water until you get the right consistency. If you have a mixing tool, you can attach it to a drill and mix it this way. However, mixing by hand is also fine. I aim for a runny custard consistency, so this is still a little too thick and I added some water to it. When you're happy, pour the mixture into your larger bowl. Place your smaller bowl on top. You'll need to add something to weigh it down. I find marble stones are a good way to get even distribution. However, other larger stones can also be used. You need to be careful not to make it too heavy and make the bowl sink completely. Otherwise, you'll find the finished bowl will crack easily at the bottom if it's too thin. Tap the bowl to get rid of any air bubbles. When you're happy, put the bowl to one side and allow it to set. I like to leave it for about 12 hours. When it's cured, it's time to remove all of the stones. After oiling the moulds, you should find that the concrete bowl comes out relatively easily. However, you may need to tap it slightly and give it a little pressure to help get it out. Finally, sand any rough edges with some fine sandpaper. Enjoy your smooth, beautiful, homemade concrete bowl. If you wish, you can seal it with concrete sealer. However, PVA glue also works. Here are some ideas to finish it off.
If, like me, you love doing DIY on a budget and turning trash to treasure, then follow me on Instagram at Blondie Builder and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more creative ideas.